Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys, generation from year 2012 to year 2019. If you want to see where the steering angle sensor is located, stay with us. We'll explain that today in case you need to replace it. Yours is not working. Also, if you guys think you need new steering angle sensor, check out our video how to reset steering angle sensor on Ford C-Max, because in some cases that will fix your problem. Now let's go ahead and explain what needs to be done. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we have, guys, that 2013 Ford C-Max. So let's explain now where the steering angle sensor is located in case you need to replace it. We'll be making a video about the cork spring replacement very soon, so you will be able, to see the complete video. But for any of you that are trying to find it, if you look, guys, right here now under the steering wheel, right under the steering column, you come here, there is nothing, guys. Okay, that right there is your steering column, and if you follow it, there is no wires, no sensors, nothing like that. So where is actually, guys, that steering angle sensor? Okay, let's explain that in a second. Right here is your steering wheel. Steering wheel has airbags, switches, buttons. So you have a device like this one that's known as a cork spring. The purpose of that device, guys, is actually what it does. It allows the cables from this side, you can see, to be transferred to this side, and you can see how it allows the steering wheel to turn. Okay, because the cables inside, it's like a long spiral cable that allows the steering wheel to move this way and the other way without braking practically, which is a great design. Now on that specific C-Max, you have cork spring too. Every modern vehicle has a cork spring because of the switches on the steering wheel and the airbags. And I want to show you now, that's what the cork spring will look like. Okay, you can see it's almost identical, but that thing on the back side, the black big squarey thing, that's your steering angle sensor, guys. Okay, you can see the cork spring is right here. It looks identical almost to what we have there. Okay, almost the same one, because it's a Ford. We got it out of a Ford, but this right here is your steering angle sensor. The cork spring attaches to it. So if you pay attention, okay, that's your, on the back side, steering angle sensor. So in order to remove and replace the steering angle sensor, what needs to be done, guys? If you're not qualified and certified, I will not recommend to do it, because you'll be messing with airbags. So consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before the repair. That way you can minimize the chance for airbags to blow in your face. Never use metal tools to disconnect airbag wires or anything like that, because that can activate them. Always stay out of the way, so if it explodes, it doesn't kill you. Another thing, guys, on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect. Reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. How we know that? We actually did it, guys, ourselves. So now let's explain, what needs to be done. You need to remove the steering wheel airbag. After that, guys, you will need to remove the steering wheel. Then you need to remove the cover for the steering column. Once you do that, guys, you get to the cork spring, and the steering angle sensor that's right underneath, that plastic right here. So that's where it's located for any of you that need to find it. It's not down there, it's up here, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.